I'm Lucy Baker, I'm a confidence coach and I'm a professional makeup artist, and I help women to become confident inside and out. Another great confidence tip is to surround yourself with positive people. I think if you stop and think about the people who are around you who make you feel either, clumsy, uncomfortable, sad, negative, unconfident, those people, it's a really good tip to kind of stay away from those people if they're not supporting you in your life. And on the flip side, surround yourself with positive people who actually care and make you feel good. So one good exercise is to write down people or write down situations that have made you feel like your confidence is low, and think about who you're with in those situations. If they're with certain people that make your confidence low, then it might be worth standing back and moving away from those people. So stay away from negative people, surround yourself with positive people.